speak blessing upon yourself. Positive affirmation speaking blessings involves affirming positive qualities and outcomes for yourself. Words have power, and declaring blessings over your life can shape your mindset and boost self-confidence. Faith and belief. When you speak blessings, it's important to believe in the words you declare. Trust in the power of faith to bring about the positive changes you desire. Scriptural or personal declarations. Some people use scripture or other spiritual texts to guide their blessings, while others create personal affirmations that resonate with their specific needs and desires. Daily practice consistency is key. Regularly speaking blessings over yourself, whether through morning affirmations or evening prayers, helps to reinforce your positive intentions and mindset. Impact on mental and emotional health. Speaking blessings upon yourself can improve your mental and emotional well-being. It promotes self-love, encourages gratitude, and can help counteract negative self-talk or limiting beliefs. Positive affirmations are powerful tools that help shift your mindset toward optimism, confidence, and personal growth. When you speak blessings upon yourself through affirmations, you're essentially declaring positive statements about who you are and what you want to become. These affirmations can be used to reinforce your self-worth, enhance your emotional resilience, and create a pathway for achieving your goals. The act of affirming yourself aligns your thoughts with your desired outcomes, creating an environment where you can grow, thrive, and succeed. Speaking positive words aloud has the potential to shape your reality because the words you consistently repeat influence how you perceive yourself and the world around you. Over time, affirmations can help rewire your brain, replacing negative thought patterns with empowering ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," you might say, "I am capable and worthy of achieving my dreams." This shift in self-talk gradually builds self-esteem and confidence, allowing you to overcome obstacles with greater ease. Affirmations aren't limited to generic statements. They can be highly specific, tailored to address personal challenges or areas of growth. By targeting certain aspects of your life, such as health, career, relationships, or emotional well-being, you create a holistic approach to self-blessing. For instance, if you struggle with self-doubt in your career, you might affirm, "I have the skills, knowledge, and determination to excel in my work." This type of affirmation reinforces your inner belief in your abilities and helps you approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. The practice of repeating affirmations regularly strengthens their impact. Whether spoken in front of a mirror, written down in a journal, or whispered in moments of quiet reflection, affirmations should become a daily ritual. As you continually speak blessings upon yourself, your mind begins to accept these statements as truths. This ongoing reinforcement helps to counteract limiting beliefs that may have been ingrained for years, giving you the power to create new narratives about your life. Faith and belief are foundational when it comes to speaking blessings upon yourself. Without a strong sense of conviction behind the words you declare, affirmations can feel hollow or ineffective. When you speak blessings, it is essential to genuinely believe in their power to manifest positive changes in your life. Faith acts as the driving force that transforms your spoken words into lived reality. It's the inner knowing that what you are affirming is not just possible, but already unfolding in your life, even if you can't yet see the results. Belief, in this sense, is not just intellectual acceptance of a positive outcome. It is a deeper, emotional connection to the truth of the words you are speaking. When you believe in the blessings you declare, you engage your heart and spirit in the process. This belief helps to bypass doubts, fears, and limiting thoughts that may arise, creating a clear mental and emotional space for the blessings to take root. It's this unshakable confidence that allows you to speak blessings with authority and certainty, knowing that they will come to fruition in due time. Faith often involves trusting in forces beyond your control, whether that's a higher power, the universe, or your own inner strength. When you speak blessings over yourself with faith, you are surrendering the how of the process and focusing instead on the desired outcome. You don't need to know all the details of how your blessings will manifest. You just need to trust that they will. This trust enables you to release the need for immediate results and embrace the journey with patience and confidence. Belief also plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset and behavior. When you truly believe in the blessings you speak over yourself, you begin to act in ways that align with those blessings. For instance, if you declare, "I am worthy of love and respect," and you believe in that statement, you will naturally start to make decisions that reflect self-love and demand respect in your relationships. This shift in behavior strengthens the affirmation, creating a cycle where belief reinforces action, and action further solidifies belief. Scriptural or personal declarations are a vital part of speaking blessings over yourself, offering you two distinct yet powerful approaches to affirming positive truths in your life. Whether you draw inspiration from sacred texts, such as the Bible, or create your own personalized statements that resonate with your unique experiences, both methods serve to strengthen your spiritual and emotional foundation. For many, scriptural declarations hold profound meaning because they are rooted in spiritual tradition and divine authority. People turn to scriptures such as the Bible, the Quran, or other religious texts to find words of wisdom, encouragement, and strength. These texts often carry deep spiritual significance, and by repeating passages or verses, you are aligning yourself with a divine source of power. For example, verses like "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me," Philippians 4:13, or "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Psalm 23:1 provide a sense of comfort, reassurance, and empowerment. When you declare these words over your life, you're not only affirming your personal strength, but also invoking a higher power to guide and protect you. Scriptural declarations are particularly powerful for those who are seeking not only personal growth, but also a deeper connection to their faith. Speaking blessings that are rooted in Scripture allows you to align your affirmations with the will and promises of your faith tradition. Many people believe that by speaking the words of Scripture, they are calling on divine promises to be fulfilled in their lives. This adds a layer of spiritual depth to the practice, reinforcing the belief that the blessings they seek are not only possible, but divinely ordained. Personal declarations, on the other hand, offer a more individualized approach. These affirmations are crafted to fit your specific circumstances, needs, and desires. Unlike scriptural declarations, which are often fixed and unchanging, personal declarations are fluid and adaptable. You can tailor them to reflect your current challenges, goals, or areas of growth. For example, if you are working toward a career goal, a personal declaration might be, "I am qualified, prepared, and deserving of success in my field." If you are focusing on self-love, you might declare, "I am worthy of love, respect, and happiness." Incorporating daily practice into speaking blessings over yourself is crucial for achieving lasting impact and transformation. A consistent routine ensures that the affirmations you declare don't remain fleeting thoughts, but instead become ingrained habits that shape your mindset and ultimately your reality. Just like any other discipline, whether it's exercise, meditation, or learning a new skill, speaking blessings requires regularity to be effective. It's the daily repetition of positive words and declarations that gradually reshapes your internal narrative, allowing those blessings to permeate your life. When you commit to a daily practice of speaking blessings, you create a space where positivity and intention become the foundation of your day. The simple act of starting your day with affirmations sets the tone for how you interact with the world around you. By affirming things like "I am capable, strong, and resilient," or "I welcome success, peace, and joy into my life," you are preemptively guiding your mind to focus on solutions, opportunities, and growth. These declarations, spoken first thing in the morning, establish a mindset of confidence and gratitude that carries through the rest of your day. One of the key benefits of daily practice is the cumulative effect that it has over time. It's not always immediate that you'll feel a drastic shift after just one day of affirmations, but with consistent repetition, you'll begin to notice subtle yet profound changes in your thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Over time, the positive statements you declare start to overwrite the negative or limiting beliefs that may have been holding you back. For example, if you've spent years telling yourself that you're not good enough or that you can't achieve certain goals, daily affirmations help to dismantle those ingrained thoughts, replacing them with empowering beliefs about your potential and worth. The daily practice of speaking blessings also serves as a form of mental conditioning. Just as physical exercise strengthens your muscles, repeated affirmations strengthen your mental resilience and emotional well-being. Through this practice, you train your mind to focus on what is possible rather than what is lacking. In moments of challenge or doubt, your mind will more naturally revert to the positive declarations you've been practicing, enabling you to navigate difficult situations with greater ease and confidence. This mental conditioning equips you with the tools to approach life with a more optimistic and solution-oriented perspective. The practice of speaking blessings upon yourself has a profound impact on both mental and emotional health, influencing how you perceive yourself, others, and the world around you. At its core, this practice is rooted in the power of positive self-talk, which is known to significantly improve mental and emotional well-being over time. When you intentionally declare blessings over your life, you are actively reshaping your internal dialogue, moving away from negative or self-limiting thoughts, and embracing a mindset of optimism, self-compassion, and growth. One of the primary ways speaking blessings affects mental health is by helping to reduce negative thinking patterns. Many people struggle with inner dialogue that is critical, judgmental, or fear-based. These negative thought patterns can contribute to feelings of anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. By consistently speaking blessings, you interrupt these harmful thought cycles and replace them with empowering and uplifting affirmations. For example, instead of focusing on perceived failures or shortcomings, you can declare, "I am worthy of success and capable of achieving my goals." Over time, these positive declarations begin to retrain your brain, making it easier to combat negative thinking and embrace a more constructive mindset. This shift in internal dialogue also promotes a sense of emotional resilience. Life is full of challenges, setbacks, and uncertainties, and how you respond to these difficulties is often shaped by your inner thoughts. Speaking blessings equips you with a mental and emotional buffer against adversity. By regularly affirming positive truths about yourself and your circumstances, you build a foundation of self-confidence and belief in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. When difficult situations arise, instead of being overwhelmed by negative emotions like fear or self-doubt, you can draw upon the blessings you've been speaking over yourself, reinforcing your inner strength and capacity to navigate challenges with grace and determination. Furthermore, speaking blessings has a significant impact on emotional health by fostering self-compassion and self-love. In today's fast-paced, achievement-oriented society, many people struggle with feelings of inadequacy, constantly comparing themselves to others, or feeling that they are not living up to expectations. This can lead to a harsh inner critic that undermines emotional well-being. However, the practice of declaring blessings encourages you to be kinder and more compassionate toward yourself. Affirmations such as "I am enough just as I am," or "I deserve love and happiness," help to soften the inner critic and cultivate a more nurturing, supportive relationship with yourself. This self-compassion is essential for emotional healing and growth, as it allows you to acknowledge your worth, accept your imperfections, and treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer to others.